This video tutorial I will explain what is JSON. We can imagine JSON as a way for computers to talk to each other using a language that is really simple for both humans and machines to understand. JSON is like a universal translator for computers, and JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. But you no need to worry about that because what is important is JSON is a format for organizing the data and sharing the data. We can think of JSON is like set of rules for writing down information. JSON mainly uses two things. The first one is curly braces and the second one is colons. The curly braces are like containers and the colons are like labels. Here you can see the example of JSON which describe a person, and here you can see the container which is nothing but curly braces that holds some labels like name, age and city and their corresponding information. So it is clear that John is the person name, his age is 30 and he lives in New York. JSON is used everywhere on the internet. For example, when you visit the website might use JSON to send data to your web browser. Apps on your phone also use JSON to communicate with servers. JSON is a simple and effective way for different devices and programs to understand each other and share information. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.